Hello, and welcome back to Cardano Coin, where we bring you the most recent and intriguing ADA news. We're giving away 1,000 ADA to those who are watching. All you have to do is upvote, subscribe, comment Cardano is king, and watch the video to the end to be eligible. The winners will be picked next month and publicized on the community page of the channel. Donald, the titans of the cryptocurrency world, Ethereum, are among the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market valuation. They are remarkably similar in layout and design. However, there are a few minute variations between the two. Cardano may use these distinctions to surpass Ethereum, claims Bitboy Crypto. Whether Ethereum or Cardano is a superior investment depends on your investment preferences and is a topic of debate. Due to his larger development community and infrastructure, Ethereum is thought to be the more secure investment of the two, according to analysts. But on the other hand, due to its potential user base in emerging and frontier markets, Cardano might be the ideal long-term acquisition. From a more grounded stance, due to his larger development community and infrastructure, Ethereum is thought to be the more secure investment of the two, according to analysts. But on the other hand, due to its potential user base in emerging and frontier markets, Cardano might be the ideal long-term acquisition. From a more grounded stance of the two cryptocurrencies, Ethereum is the more established, more valuable, and older one. Altcoin has a plethora of development going on with smart contracts. A professional claims that Cardano is trailing Ethereum in important areas and that developers are still working on crucial features and services like smart contracts, which were recently launched. Ethereum initially released this feature a number of years ago. Martin Lynn Weber, a market vector for digital assets, product strategist and index providers, is quoted as saying this. Although both cryptocurrencies include transaction and usage fees, Ethereum is thought to be more expensive. Ethereum's popularity is therefore correlated with higher prices. Additionally, scalability was provided by the blockchain infrastructure, making Cardano a better layer 1 crypto than Ethereum and enabling it to handle more transactions. The number of transactions on Ethereum is a problem. The network functions well when things are calm. Ethereum simply cannot keep up when a bull market begins and millions of fresh investors pour money into cryptocurrencies. A number of flaws in the Ethereum network could eventually expose it to dominance by the Cardinals. It would be disastrous if these flaws were not addressed. Ethereum's price has dropped to the now forgotten $1,200 area, which has been scaring away investors for the past few months. Despite anticipating the Fed's 50 BP rate increase, when Jerome Powell informed the media that the Federal Reserve's inflation target, which remains at 2, the market was caught in a cold shower. His speech caused Ethereum and other digital assets to immediately fall from their highs as investors learned that the USA's monetary policy won't be loosened until about the middle of 2023. Theoretically, it might, in the best case, have to climb higher in the near future, given the recovering network activity that is anticipated to support Ethereum's burn rate, but Cardano may outperform it before that happens. Following the release of the merging update, the cryptocurrency market is eagerly anticipating the Shanghai upgrade of Ethereum. There is clearly a concern that something could go wrong with the upcoming hard split. Shanghai will introduce fragmentation, which will speed up networks and slow down transfers. The Ethereum virtual machine, or EVM for short, may also be impacted because of the EVM's proposed alteration. Shanghai is probably going to join the main cryptocurrency network in March 2023 as things progress well. Surprisingly, the biggest concern in the cryptocurrency community is the projected large sell, given that the upgrade will increase Ethereum's liquidity. Beacon Chain was created to ensure a secure transition from the Ethereum consensus model to proof of stake, with the goal of enabling users who believe in the potential of the top altcoin to start staking Ethereum. As a result, the cryptocurrency units that are sticking on Beacon Chain will be made available for trading. Cryptographic depositors validated blocks without any transactions to assist the network in determining whether the proof-of-stake process was functioning as it should. As a result, Ethereum would now have a secure network for regular users and projects using this blockchain with the advent of this update. Additionally, developers have the guarantee of network security without a sudden change in activity occurring on the Ethereum blockchain because Ethereum is locked even with the arrival of the merging. However, it is important to note that Ethereum may indeed be under selling pressure. Even if investors who have faith in the network choose to retain their Ethereum in storage, short-term investors might not share their confidence and become fearful, thinking that the release of the cryptocurrency from the stuck contract will spur a wave of selling. The introduction of the Beacon chain in early December 2020. At $610, Ethereum was being traded. Many depositors on the Beacon chain saw the cryptocurrency growth to $4,891 per coin, despite a 94's gain from his present price. The likelihood of Ethereum returning to that level is high, preventing long-term investors from making large sells as crypto fundamentals become stronger and Ethereum 2.0 approaches. The old coin becomes more desirable for staking, though, when the cards are turned in a scenario where sales are made and the price of Ethereum drops occurs. Additionally, rewards and the cost of starting to earn money will rise. Lower fees will result from holding the alternative currency, luring more investors to the proof-of-stake network. It seems attractive. Become pretty dangerous. Anything might go wrong, and the flaw might act as a catalyst for Cardano's growth. Charles Hoskinson, the creator of Cardano, has a ton of incredible intentions for the cryptocurrency in general, all of which are definitely worth expecting. Charles Hoskinson announced some of his intentions for Cardano last year in a Periscope stream. He emphasized that Cardano already possesses the technology necessary for the smart contracts platform to make a significant impact on the global economy. What's exciting is that Cardano has natural capability for solving many of these issues with metadata, identification, authentication, and governance. I believe that everything from the catalyst to our metadata standards to the way we manage native multi-assets will eventually make us one of the best platforms to issue, curate, and transfer NFT from one party to another. Hoskinson also disclosed that they intend to be successful in their venture by predicting the course that the company would take over the following 15 years. Hoskinson observed that they were beginning to collaborate with the biggest names in the NFT industry in the short term, added he. Nevertheless, these protocols are simple to copy. Working with these just NFTs is simple. We have already contacted several of the top 10 marketplaces and have started talking about moving them to Cardano because, well, why not? We are expanding capacity there expressly for these kinds of interactions, and it's just engineering resources. The many developers in charge of the operations have recently unveiled a number of significant upgrades to the Cardano ecosystem. It's intriguing to learn that SIP 1694's most recent development involves a volunteer who is on his way in. This invention is a chain governance mechanism that will serve as a bridge before Cardano enters its volunteer phase. Additionally, the vote is currently being held on the idea put out by developer Jared Corden in late November. Hoskinson Volunteer claims that this is the final phase of the Cardano network's development. Will establish the standard for decentralized management across the whole sector. The DC Spark team's creation of the price index for ADA is another noteworthy and recent breakthrough. The index is supposed to be deployable locally and without the aid of a third party or API. The three biggest decentralized exchanges on Cardano by TiVo, including Men's Swap Ring Writers and Sunday Swab, now support the index. Additionally, Cardano continues to be one of the cryptocurrency industry's most actively developed projects. These drivers appear capable of assisting Cardano to surpass Ethereum. However, the unpleasant truth is that present ADA price conditions must significantly change. Many investors view Bitboy's claims that ADA will outperform Ethereum as a false myth. In a recent article, well-known cryptocurrency trader Jason Piscino predicted that Cordelia would likely drop even lower, to just below 20 cents, before finding support. According to him, it was crucial to watch to see if this eventually formed a bottom pattern before breaking out to the upside. He also provided an update on his predictions for other cryptocurrencies and noted that it will take a while for them to materialize. Overall, a lot of these cryptocurrencies will need a long time to mature. On the logarithmic chart, they have hardly made any attempts to test the bear market downturn. The linear chart also kept falling, testing the prior resistance levels as it did so. There will be considerably more agony in this area over the upcoming weeks and months because we are essentially in a no-land man for ADA at the moment. Since cryptocurrency has had a turbulent year, Donna must overtake the second largest cryptocurrency in terms of market value if it is to serve as a current indicator of recovery or sustainability. However, Cardano cannot use Ethereum's constraints since they are too great. Which team do you play for? What about Team Cardano? The Ethereum team. Of course, what do you think about this? Comment below with your thoughts and let us know. In the following video, we'll see you. Check out our other videos to see how Cardinal is living up to the promise of being the Ethereum killer in the meantime. Be careful to always click the subscribe and notification buttons